so all of my samples are finished, so I need to pack them up. We probably will come back here tomorrow, but just in case we don't, I'm gonna get everything all ready in this box. Got the book sleeves. Might even need 2 boxes. I'm not even gonna put a lid on it because I don't wanna squash anything. It just creates more crinkles. Got the tote bag. I have mixed the fabrics. I've changed the straps just so I could incorporate that second fabric in the strap. And also this one has a little spot for your keys. I was finding that I kind of wanted a spot for my keys in my tote bag, and I was like, it's simple enough to put in, why don't I just put it in? All of these. So that is that one already. In some photos, I really want a few carry-all bags, so I'm gonna start on making the bulk. These ones are right here. So I'm gonna make up maybe 5. So I'll have 5 in total. And yeah, that's what I'll do right now. So today is photo shoot day, so I've got all of the samples ready to go. I've kindly got this wicker cane basket from my mum. She dropped this down last minute because none of the op shops literally had anything remotely to what I was looking for. And you can't really get these in like stores. I could have got it online, but I kind of didn't want to buy a brand new one anyway. And my mum had this, so she's kindly dropped this off. So I've filled it so it looks like a basket of peaches. That's like the vibe. But yeah, we've got the tote bag, all the other samples, and we're literally heading out to get one particular photo because I just have this vision in my head and that's just what I want to get done. So let's take all this from the warehouse to the shoot location. We are now in some forest, random national park or whatever we are. I'm not too sure, but it's got the vibes, which is all we need, and lots of sticks, which is fun. So I got my basket and we're gonna start taking pictures around here and see how it comes out. We've had to literally cut the photo shoot short. We literally got one photo, which is fine. We know the location now, so hopefully we'll be able to come back another time, but I'm so over this rain, it's not even funny. To the person that wanted me to stop holding the mic and to just clip it on, this one is for you. So in the last clip, you would have seen we went out to a beautiful forest location to do the photo shoot. Keeping in mind, I did have one particular photo that I wanted to get and we were able to achieve that. And I'll pop it up here, but I do have to take photos with the other products and we weren't able to do that because of the rain. I'm not even exaggerating, but it has been raining for majority of 2025. Like, it has been near impossible to have a week of sunshine. So when you do get 2 or 3 days of sunshine, you're kind of just like embracing it, but you're already in your routine. It's really hard to plan anything. But this rain is like, when it comes around, it literally is here for 2-3 days at a time. And it's been super patchy. And of course, I'm just trying to get on with doing what I'm doing. And I don't even check the weather because it's probably gonna be raining. So what I do is like, I know that it's just going to be patchy and I was just hoping that it could be in a dry spot that we could take the photos, because the vibe of the photos, it didn't matter if the landscape was wet. Obviously our equipment and the products can't get wet, so there's no way I could shoot underneath a tent or anything like that. It is an outdoor shot, and literally 30-40 minutes in, it started raining and we had to abort the mission. We could have just waited out in the car, but it was like the afternoon. So we do have to go back and reshoot pretty much everything. Again, this is like why I don't like sharing the entire process, because if I didn't start sharing this, I probably would have just scrapped this photo shoot altogether and waited till we had a sunny day so I could launch with like the new photo shoot. But I'm actually going to be keeping this photo shoot probably up until launch. and then I'm going to be using the other photos when they come in. It's my partner that takes all of the photos, and he also has a business that he runs. So we're in between both of our schedules. Yeah, so that's the go with that. I know weather chat is super boring, but I have no idea what is going on with the rain lately. Like, it's reminiscent of what people say London is like, but it's literally just like raining nonstop. Like, we're going to be sewing today quite a bit. I'm probably going to do like 4 hours straight this morning and take you along with me. We've got the bulk of carrier bags, hair tools, pouches that I've started, but then I need to get into quilting way more fabric. So let's get stuck into sewing for the day. The stage at which we are at with this is tags are on. This is quilted. So these need zippers, lining, and pretty much finished construction, which we've got 3 here that need to be done as well. So let's lock in and do that. These are all the finished products that we made today, and then this afternoon I'm going to end up quilting more fabric for cutting and stuff tomorrow. So hopefully you can see that. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair tools patches. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hair tools pouches not finished, but they're halfway there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 carry-all bags, size regular. So that's everything we completed today. I always love ending the day with some completed products to see that I've actually done something. I'm going to cut more fabric next and start on more quilting because this is only the peach print. I hope you guys have the best week. Thanks for sewing with me, and I will see you all next Monday. Bye.